Alright. Alright. This is supposed to be a mission to stop the dark squid. Murder Game is busy trying to find something good. Because I only went alone to stop the dark squid. And you, all of you, supposed to be teamed up. Marinette Gaming and me, we team up to stop the dark squid in a Covenant Vault Boy. The Vault Boy is supposed to be up to something. They're building a new army. That's supposed to be it. Now, let's end this battle. Not end the battle, destroy the dark squid base. And do not let the dark squid new creations ever seen before. Alright, man. March up in the battle. Stop the dark squid. The dark squid is sending out some reinforcements over there. They're supposed to be up to something. Find a leader and destroy it. Worst part is let it spread everywhere. Enemy dark squid coming in a ship, a troop carrier, and a general for the Covenant and working with the dark squid now. Okay, and everyone did not know that would ever see that, as I put too much in there, but I have none of mind that. Let's stop the dark squid. It maybe take a little bit while to get here. Wave 1. My troops are wave 1 and supposed to be attack them. But the dark squid have different weapons they have. They have grunts, elites, Covenant, everything they have, and drones with them. March up in a battle station. Grunts supposed to be taking down enemy fire. Come on, guys. Why are you so weak? The heck? They're destroyed. They're supposed to be a fly away. Let's get rid of those. Come on, guys. Come on. Move up. Oh yeah, grunts are short. I forgot these grunts are short because they're missing a target, but they're shooting them kind of bit here. Except for the grunts, they're shooting them down there and in the bottom. Come on, guys. Great. We didn't give him a wave. Let's send out some hunters. Hunters reply. Now we're to pass by hunters. Take down the elite miner. That's supposed to be a problem. That's supposed to be not good. Right. The dark squid have their wall over there. Why did this one get me nowhere? On dark squid I have a wall. A bunch of turret system and the elite general in the battlefield. I don't know why they're there. Good, we got hunters helping them brutes. Where the brutes are destroyed. Or grunt squad that's destroyed. Let's take him down. Grunt's supposed to be a scary kid. Why the dark squid working with a Covenant now? They're inkling the dark squid are supposed to be weak, but they're not weak enough. They're having a new creation, new weapons, new armor they have for the Covenant deal. Doing Joe Dom already dead. The war. Come on, hunters. They're supposed to be the elite miner. They're supposed to be need support. Men, fall back. Fall back to the station. Take down the elite miner, or take one down. The enemy's elite miner are supposed to be the health they have, and supposed to be Covenant. Hunter's supposed to be the toughest one in the battlefield, like armor. They have a bunch of armors around it. Oh, accident to kill it. Take down the grunts over there. Grunts are supposed to be tough, but once a week. Come on. Elite miners are down. Men, move up. Move up in the battle and destroy the dark squid and the Covenant. We lost one hunter. Well then, let's give him some more wave. It possibly works. Work on that. Alright. What did I send down? I can send out my post to be a send out. What did I send out? Let's send out some of my newest troop servers. My new troops supposed to be not yet. Let me see here. I can place down a blue one because we know that my internet gaming are we allies. It's supposed to be a different planet. Let me see, I send out. Well, let's send out another brute squad. Grunt squad. Grunt squad, move up. Wave 2. Move up in the battle station. Do not fail for Lord Cameron. Take down the enemy elite miner. We need to take him down. Come on, guys. Come on. Attack. We can target the defense system. The hunter's supposed to be aimed at. They need to aim. Supposed to be aimed at the dark squid. Grunt miner, what are you doing? Go with the grunt squad. We're not leaving these grunts behind. Actually, I have to move this. Much better. Oh, hopefully the grunts are supposed to go around it. Elite miner destroyed. This cannon's supposed to be targeted our base. Enemy spear dropship. Was that one of my troops? Why did my troops have spear? Why did they have their troops have spear dropship? Why did they send out like that? Man, keep moving up. Okay, sending out some vehicles down. Cause that one took down the air units. Well, they're kind of slow, but it's supposed to be take time. But they're respawning some troops up there. How did they get their spear dropship? Dark Squid didn't know how to use the Covenant technology, and he respawning them. Take down the air units. Come on, men. We need a Reaver that's supposed to be taken down. The general, elite general, is supposed to be over there, helping the Dark Squid help. We need to stop them, but Dark Squid is supposed to be activate to something, not a ring. They're creating a new ones, but we don't know what it is. The flood? But our Dark Squid don't know about the flood. They don't know about it. Oh, we need to send a Reaver. Where's a Reaver? Reaver, we need you. Where are you? Which one was it? There's supposed to be a lot of them, my creations. Where is it? Where is it? No. Which one was it? I forgot. I forgot. There he is. There he is. I did not see that. There he is. Found it. Alright, Reaper. We need your help. Turret's defense system Dark Squid are respawning some more troops. Grunt Squad, take him down. War battle of Dark Squid. Supposed to be a Dark Squid, supposed to be weak. Move up, push up. Push up, men. We're not losing this war. Marinette Gaming is supposed to be still alive, but where is Marinette Gaming? The location is nearby. Where is it? Someone keeps to destroy the spear dropship. That's supposed to be enemies they're doing. Send out a fire droid. A hellfire droid. Actually, none of mine. That's too much. Okay, respawning more of them. There. Keep firing. The enemies are supposed to be weak. How much does they have? A lot of health. We need to keep taking them down. Well, these ones need some go over there and help them. Reaver, keep taking down the enemy spear dropship. Kill the general. General supposed to be leading them in the battlefield. Hey, there's another one. How despicable there are. Almost taken out of my troops. Great. These call some reinforcements. What I said now. Elite needler? Well, that's supposed to be too much. That's enough. Also, we need more reinforcements. Send out a Hellfire droid. Possibly in the wave 3 is ready already. Men, destroy the enemy spear dropship they have. How will they have the spear dropship? They're supposed to be the Covenant one. The Dark Squid are supposed to be weak. And they're stuck over there, their base. A bunch of troops are taking a nap, they're all camping, and they have the Covenant defense system. That's supposed to be not good. Well, take it out that general. There's no general still here. Our hunter would be destroyed. Where Dark Squid is coming, the forces go over there. We need to send more fire droid. You're going on backwards. You're going on backwards. Do not give up. Do not give up. Do not give up. Keep firing a spear dropship. One stuck to my flag here. There. What do you keep sending? I'm sending my newest creation in the battlefield. My new drone creations. Exterminate them. Exterminate them. This is my newest creation. I know they're probably the twisted wing looking. Maybe I try to re-six it again. There. On the egg mode or jet mode. They're ready to pass over my troops. We need to keep sending more wave. Keep sending more new wheels, my creations. Going in a battle. I do not fail for Lord Cameron and supposed to be a help my Myrna gaming troops supposed to be help us to give them a new armor. Move up and help them before it's too late. Because the Dark Squid already win, or we lost. I'll send them my needler drone. I build them supposed to be my newest scientist creations. My drones are supposed to be destroyed. The general is still alive. How did he survive? A bunch of bullets, raining bullets everywhere. How much health is spear dropship? We need to take him down easily. Oh wait. Maybe the one my warship is supposed to be sent out. Where is it? There he is. Now we're gonna take out the enemy's wall, and possibly there are troops over there that are waiting for them. And a spear dropship at a respawning. Place him right here. There we go. Now they're wiping them all down. Wipe out good. Now my troops supposed to be fall back. One machine is stuck to the spear dropship. I'm hoping the Dark Squid will create another spear dropship, but possibly my stealing of my newest creations. My machines don't know what to do. My army know what to do. Execute a covenant. Execute the covenant off for the past, and we married that game we really met to we team up. The Dark Squid defenses the walls, they have shooters up there. We need to take them down. My new creation, my robots are supposed to be taken down badly. To destroy the enemy. It's not dead yet. Let's send out some white ones. My creation, mine actually, let's send out my honor guard, supposed to be in the battle. Alrighty, we're gonna send out higher the honor guard, elite. Honor guard is supposed to be just take them down for the enemies. Okay, I messed it up. Honor guard, move up. Yeah, we're taking out the Dark Squid. And my machines will be destroyed. Let's send out some white ones. Let's send out for the my Jacob, Lord Jacob likes. Remember, newest machine I build. We're ready to destroy it. Now move up, men. Move up. Make the Lord Jacob and Cameron happy, for the victory is ours. Victory is ours. The drones are supposed to be destroyed easy. They're good at that. Not Henri is good at that. Alright then. Placing now some droid carrier. No. The war is supposed to be beginning of a Clone Wars, a bit old Clone Wars army. Their execution is supposed to be death 50 long ago. General Grievous be defeated to the Separatists. Now the Separatists are purple now for the past, but we don't know why I joined them. And another one, that's supposed to be not good. Honor Guard are supposed to be holding the station. We need some Scarif away. Keep fighting, men. Don't give up. Will still victory be ours. There's a bunch of troops over there. What are they all doing? Droids will be holding the station here. We can hold it. Hold it in a battle. Honor Guard, keep shooting that spear dropship. Keep shooting them. Character will possibly be a spear dropship being defeated. My droids and my machines are ready to kill them already. We got one drone be destroyed and one drone have health left. The droid, the enemy Dark Squid, are keep spawning some more troops. Battle droids supposedly can't hold it for long. There needs some upgrades. The plants right here are supposed to be moving. We need to send out some Scarif. Scarves are not supposed to be ready at all of the machine. All the enemies will be destroyed. The wall must be destroyed. Warriors are supposed to be dying. We need to hold them off, push it in, and victory be over one. I'll mirror that game. We're supposed to be in there. I hope it's in there. Supposed to be we're ready for victory. Honor guard, keep moving up. Do not give up. Push it in. Keep pushing it. Where's the other one? Now let's send out some scarf. The scarf only way to send out. Put you way over there because you're ready. Scarf are supposed to be the fastest one. What? I messed it up. What? Alright, give me a minute. Okay, Scarf are ready to deploy. Man, do not fall back. Keep pushing in. The spear dropship supposed to be taken down. Scarf, give him worse. And he squished it accidentally squished. Man, keep focus in the battlefield. You wait here. I need to give a clean up about his body up because I'm doing. Place down, new replacement. There's Scarf will possibly take him down to Dark Squid. Good job, Scarf. Glad I remade you again. And the spear dropship is be destroyed. Man, move up. Enemy wall almost be destroyed. Okay, this wall need to hold for long. Let's send out some reinforcements. My newest brutes supposed to be. I need to send my new weapon. New weapons for the brutes from a Covenant. Not beside the Covenant. New old Covenant for weapons. Brute squad, destroy the enemy wall and destroy the Dark Squid. But I need some reinforcements. Let's send out my same creation again. Everyone want to like to my newest creations to my banished empire. While Marinette Gaming we team up and stop the Dark Squid. Okay, Scarif will possibly take him down good. We need to keep firing on him. How much health they have? Let's Scarif. Look at this Scarif go. Look at this Scarif go. Sweet. We need to call another one. The Scarif is almost low health. That's supposed to be not good. Keep firing that wall. Don't give up. Don't give up whatever you do, man. Do not give up. Do not give up. For the victory to be ours. Scarif need overheat. The my brutes supposed to know what to do. They're holding them off good. They're all helping us Scarif. And Scarif is low health. The spear dropship is more power damage for that Scarif. That is calling some reinforcements. Take them down. Squish them. Squish them I have. Squish them. A wall is destroyed. And Scarif is be destroyed. Right. Well, let's call another one. We need a post to be a wave. We need to complete it. We need another Scarif because our Scarif will be destroyed. Let's place the Scarif right over there and right here. Two Scarifs of final wave. And Scarif lost his leg. Alright, Scarif, move up into the battle. This is a final wave. Come on, guys. You can do this. Final wave. A bunch of Dark Squids are supposed to be need support. A lot of them are covered in defense system. Get rid of you. Yeah, we take it down so good. Diana accidentally destroy it. Oh, don't squish me. This place is Scarif, right? Hold it right here for the station. And Scarif just kicked him. Yeah, that's the Scarif. Give him hell. Give him everything hell. Give him hell. 2 Scarif will hold it for long. When they're not. Oh, they're because they're. Oh. Add those for that. Come on. Let's call it a final reinforcements. It is this final one, but we need to call some reinforcements. Let's call it in the vehicles. The vehicles we need to be safe. Stop the save Meridian Gaming, and stop the Dark Squid. Final reinforcements inbound. And 1 needler. The spirit dropship supposed to be coming in. Take him down, go. The enemy coming in defense system. Okay, we are supposed to be in a base when the Covenant. The Dark Squid base. Take him. Scarif supposed to be. Take him down. Fire. There's 1 Scarif supposed to be broken, but he's still shooting. But in there needs Scarif. Need 1 Scarif still alive. Scarif was missing a leg. 4 of them mostly is. Got some reinforcements around. Take it down to hold it, push them, force them back to their came from Dark Squid. Scarif is taking him down. Damage over there. Move up. You. Do not leave. Go up. Move up. Help him out. Help him out. Okay, they're helping out alright. The Dark Squid is supposed to be over there. They're supposed to be having a party over there, but not give invited me to that party. Let's send out some spirit dropship. The final wave is here. And 1 more place down to spear another spear dropship because they're gonna need some more troops. Copy their way. There. There. Right. Okay, the enemies are destroyed. Wait, they're sending out ATS walkers? How did the walkers, the Dark Squid, know how to use them? They're kids. They're inklings. I don't know. They're never drive the. Okay, he destroyed already. Never mind. The enemies that have a Lucas over there, they have a Lucas weapon. The Scarif supposed to be almost need to go over their attack. But he's still going. Make a look at him go. He needs some help. He will die to his honor. Okay, we're all clear. Keep destroying that wall. Men, keep destroying that wall base. Keep destroying them. Who'll find out who's leading them. Elite squad are supposed to be the honor guard. They're supposed to need support. We destroyed, men. We did it. Alright, man. Move up. Let's see what's inside. Ah, the enemy prisoners working for the Dark Squid. Well then, what are you up to something? Which one of you is the leader? The old enemy from Americans villain war criminal sent out. Who sent you? Answer.
I'm not telling you what it is. Your plan is weak.
Well
Very
then.
right.
Possibly you'll never speak,
And I
huh?
will never believe in you.
Well, say
You're
it.
supposed to be never believe us. The great leader is a lie, and you read master a
What
dumb.
do you say to my master?
I'm supposed to be hate your master. Your master
Well
trash.
then, you die. I was. Man, can you back it up, please?
Then.
What the? What? Men, open fire to the enemy spear dropship. It's a trap. Execute the traitor. Execute the traitor. Fire, men, fire. You didn't tell me you will die. Yeah! Execution. Kill them all. Kill them on the enemies and those things. Yeah! 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 Ah! Yeah! 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 Ah! Why you shot me that for, man? Useless machines. Ah. Fire to the enemy spear dropship. You got him? Good.
There,
What is it?
troopers. There's only one survivor left.
They got a one left
And
survivor,
the one
right?
is the runners. You know what it is.
Good.
Roger, roger.
You come with me or you die with us. But you will die. Tell me where it is and you die. Men, take him on prisoner. I need to explore around. We got everything we need, men. We got that prisoner. We don't know where the Dark Squid is. Marinette Gaming's still alive. Put him in my ship. And you talk with them, one prisoner, for the execution.